Hi Purnima. Good. I can't see you. Hello Monica, how are you? So nice to see you girls. Yeah.
Hi Meena, how are you?
Hi Tanu, I'm good. How are you, darling?
I am great, I am great. You're looking gorgeous.
You too. Thank you. Today your look is little bit different from other days.
Yeah, I wore earrings, I've done some
Hmm.
kajal. It was needed.
See, see my
Yes,
Winnings Tree badge
yes, it's here also. Meena ji, can you
and
see?
my Winnings Tree cup also, mug also.
Whoa, very nice. Do sip some tea in that.
Yeah,
Do sip
I
some
am
tea in
doing.
that. So, welcome people, welcome. Thank you so much, Meena ji, for inviting me on this live. We are going live today with Ghar Se Ghar Tak, which is our initiative, Winnings 3 initiative to launch the vocal to local aspect, which the government of India recently announced and Modi ji recently announced. The pandemic, which is around the COVID-19 issues, the pandemic which has caused so many deaths, more than 3,50,000 deaths world over. Economies have slumped, and of uh, mishaps which is happening throughout because of this pandemic. So much of chaos, so much of fear, so much of anxiety, so much of everything that has gone down. uh, on that note, Mr. Modi announced that if we support our local businesses, if we buy things from our local businesses, we can definitely support our growth, our country's growth, our economy, and so on and so forth. And Winnings 3 has been doing it throughout. All of us keep ordering things from our Winnings 3 community. If I need achar, I will go to Meena. If I need a face cream, I will go to Purnima. If I need, anything to do with cakes, then I will order it from somebody whom I know in NCR or somebody here in Calcutta. So I have always been doing that. And when we have been diligently following this practice throughout, why not do it now? Why not do it now consciously? Why not be consciously putting in that effort to keep ordering things from each other, so that we not only support us in this crucial juncture, but also support the Indian economy.
Yes.
So Meena ji, thank you so much for being, the first Ghar Se Ghar Tak live, person who is coming
My
live on
pleasure.
the Ghar Se Ghar Tak show. It is something which is very close to my heart. It is very close to my heart because I completely believe in this. There have been instances in my family, Meena, where I was supposed to order something and people were trying to do Swiggy, and I told them that don't do Swiggy, do Winnings 3. So
Yes.
that is the spirit with which I have always been working towards Winnings 3. And this particular thing has always been close to my heart, and I'm so proud today that many members have joined hands in this initiative, and the government of India also thinks that we should be ordering things from each other, we should be supporting the Indian economy. तो मीरा जी, आप हमें बताइए कि ये जो आपका इनिशिएटिव है, जो टिज़लर्स आपका ब्रांड है, यू नो पहले तो मीना जी के बारे में मैं क्या बताऊं, जितना भी बताऊं कम है, बिकॉज
बस
मीना जी इज Meena has been, that pillar of support for Winnings 3 from the beginning till now. She is also one of the moderators of Winnings 3. she has been doing she has been putting in multiple efforts. The Ghar Se Ghar Tak idea was not only mine, it was also hers. She conceptualized it along with Raghunita, who supported with some other things, and together we came up with this idea. So there have been so many multiple instances where, right from to being our gift sponsor for sponsoring Lovely Roses on one of our grand year end meets, to have been there as our gift sponsor at the networking events, to being there forever with her suggestions, her advices. Meena has always been there for us. So मीना आप ये बताओ कि ये जो टिजलर्स है आपका, आपके बारे में तो पहले कुछ बताइए। आप नोएडा से हैं, वी नो दैट, यू लिव
Yeah.
इन नोएडा एंड यू ओन अ ब्रांड कॉल्ड टिजलर्स। लेट अस नो मोर अबाउट यू, द व्यूअर्स वुड वांट टू नो।
Yeah, thank you so much, Tanu. I'm very lucky that this initiative is which you have taken, घर से घर तक, इसका जो first episode है वो मेरे से start हो रहा है, and bit nervous also because this is my first live, but really thankful to you to boost me up and to put more, confidence in me that you can do it, and I know I can do it now.
You can definitely do it, and see that glow on your face, it shows
Uh,
that how happy you are with whatever you are doing. If this is your passion and you are following it, then of course you're so
yeah,
happy doing it. So that
yes.
shows, that glow shows. So definitely, you can do it. You have that in you. You are a winning spree. You rock.
Yeah, I am a Vinistri.
Yes.
Okay, okay. Hello everyone. Myself, I'm Meena Kapoor, and I am founder of Tizzlers, under which we do sell homemade chutney and pickles, which are my home production. And this initiative actually we started in 2018 with one of our partner. I started it. 6 months we worked together. Then she quit it due to some reason. That's all right. That happens. And at that time, I was really low because doing all alone when you have started within a partnership, it's really difficult. For maybe for me it is difficult. For others, it may not be that difficult. But then my husband said, no, you cannot leave it. You can't give it up. My friend supported me, ki, till now you have done this is your home production. So why can't you market your product on your own? There are so many platforms where you can do that. So I gathered myself and I started marketing the product on my own. Earlier, we used to go to put up the stalls everywhere. It was going very well. But then took time, little bit. So now it's more than a year, maybe more than 1.5 year that I am doing it all alone, everything on my own. And now I'm very confident that I have reached to a level where my clients are coming back to me again and again. They want my product only. Even if they have to wait for the product to reach to them, they wait for it. So this is the journey so far, and I'm here with you all.
You have been that, you have been giving those positive vibes throughout, and people can experience it, people can, feel that vibe from you, which is why they keep coming back to you. Any instances,
Yes.
Meena, आप कुछ बताइए, how during lockdown how people have reached to you, how somebody has ordered and they have arranged for things by which they could get the Tizzlers. And let me before
Yeah.
that even compliment you. My father-in-law is a big fan of your Tizzlers lemon chutney, and me
Oh,
too.
thank you. Thank you so,
He
so much,
loves it.
Tanu, for
He
that.
loves it.
Please give my regard to uncle.
I will. I will.
Yeah, and when you asked about the lockdown, yeah, I think this is a very tough time for everyone, even for me also. And I have thought that courier services are not working out, not, and nobody will be ordering in on. But one of my client, she took. I'll show you. These are my trial jars. So she
Okay.
asked if she wanted to taste the products, and
Okay.
she took all the 9 products, even winter ones. Now the winter stock is not available, it's sold out. She took all the 9 products, these trial jars, and now after tasting all the products, now she is not taking this mini or even 300 gram. She always order for 500-gram jar. She said, "नहीं उससे कोई नहीं होगा. I want 2 jar of 500 gram this, and this."
Okay.
And during lockdown also, she said, I want your product only. So I told her, see, I cannot deliver it to you because of the lockdown. So she said, okay, wait, let me arrange a pickup for that. And next day she got it picked.
Wow, amazing.
She got to
Yeah, I think there has been some network issues in between. So that's amazing if she has got it picked by herself, during the lockdown. So it shows, how much
no,
people
she didn't.
love your products.
She didn't pick it up, but she arranged a pickup. Yeah,
Right, right, right.
yeah, and
So,
not even one
hello
twice.
guys, people. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Wow, amazing. So, hello guys. Hi Purnima. Hi Monica. Hi Tamanna. Hi Shivani. Hi Sonam. And of course, hi
I can't
Shreya.
see them.
I can see them, Meena. शिवानी सेज मीना अपना कैमरा में आप पूरे नहीं आ रहे हो आधा मैंने
हाँ वो
ऑक्यूपाई कर
पहले
लिया है ना डोंट
पहले
वरी
I got that message.
ओके डोंट
हाँ
वरी शिवानी आई विल लीव सून you can see Meena then
no, 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 you
completely
stay.
Protima is giving flying kisses Parul Sachdeva says Meena super she says winning three rocks thank you so much Parul Sachdeva Naina Golcha is watching Pragati Rao is watching she says hi
Wow,
girls
so many people.
Meena
Hi
yes
everyone.
Meena, you're looking gorgeous. That's a compliment from Pragati.
Thank
Sangeeta,
you.
Sangeeta is
Thanks,
watching.
buddy.
Hi Pragati, hi Rumpari, hi Deepa, hi Shikha. Shikha says hi, and Shreya says Tizzler is rocking now. Pragati
Oh,
says
thank you, Shreya.
indeed Tizzler's chutney say and mango pickles are her favorite. They are a favorite, at her place.
Love
Okay,
you, girls. Love you.
Tamanna, who owns Khwahish by Tamanna, says that after the lockdown, I'm your next client. So you got a new client.
Definitely. If you are in
Okay.
Noida, Tamanna, do let me know. I can get it delivered maybe.
ओ तो आप तो कैलकाटा में भी करवा देते हो कहीं पे भी करवा दोगे आप तो
Nana.
Raghunita is watching. Hi, Raghu Bhai. Hi, Raktima from Hello World of Wonders. Dost the book is watching. Okay, Shreya says, wow, that's amazing. Raghu says there's some echo. So is there some echo? अच्छा बीच में हो रहा था अभी it's okay.
Can you hear me now
And
clearly?
yeah, now I can hear you. Can you hear me, Meena?
Yeah, I can hear you clearly. Raghu,
Okay.
is it okay? Your girls can hear us clearly?
I think they can. They can. They are
All right.
responding to all the hellos that I just did. So thank you so
Okay.
much for watching us. Meena is the proud owner and founder of Tizzlers, which is a tizzling pickling journey. She has multiple pickles in multiple flavors, from aam, from mirchi to lemon, just through anything that you can name off. She does it. And her pickles are homemade. Her pickles are, of course, homely done with lots and lots of, conscious measures which she takes, for safety. क्योंकि घर का जो खाना होता है वो हमेशा माँ के हाथ का खाने को हम क्या बोलते हैं that is good for our health, it is good for our tummies. So that is what her slogan is also. Her logo says that homemade is mom made. So definitely
Yes.
there is a mom who is making those achars there and selling it, branding it under Tizzlers and then presenting it to us. Once you taste her lemon chutney, you will again go back to her. So Meena is that super awesome. She is
Yeah.
also the moderator of our Winnings 3 FB community, and she has been doing a stupendous hard work, with that. She has been coming up with multiple creative posts, and now she is also our first Ghar Se Ghar Tak Go Live person. So I'm really proud of you, Meena. I'm really proud of Tizzlers, and I'm really honored that you have been associated with winning Stree so closely from your heart. सो वी हैव सम मोर कमेंट्स, वो हम थोड़ा बाद में लेंगे. उससे पहले मीना, आपके लिए मेरे पास एक सवाल है छोटा सा. वो ये है
बिल्कुल.
कि कैसा मतलब रहा है आपका ये जर्नी, यू नो, फ्रॉम पास्ट एक्सपीरियंसेस जो आपके होंगे. थोड़ा आपके पास्ट के बारे में बताइए. बिफोर टिजलर्स क्या था?
Before Twizzlers, I was in Sydney for almost 8 years, and then we
Okay.
moved back in 2009 and then my husband started his own company, and I started working with him.
Okay.
Yeah, but
Okay.
from after a few years, I think my job was quite over with basics. He needed my help and all. I did everything. Still, I am also doing sometime whenever he needs me. But
Okay.
I think he has his own staff because technical team is different. I am not technical person. I am an HR person and I can do different things. But he has now his own technical team and all.
Mm-hmm.
And now my kids are also grown up.
Mm-hmm.
So I think I have ample of time to do something on my own. And I
Mm-hmm.
always wanted to do something from home, which can give me an identity, and also I can utilize my time wisely. So that's
Okay.
why I thought of starting this Tizzlers.
Okay, great, great. So, Veena, how did you come up with this idea कि pickle making में ही जाना है? Why not something else? You know, because there are multiple line of businesses these days. So, why only pickles?
See, it's my home production. It's made
Actually,
in my
okay,
family. So
okay,
why not market the product which is from your own house, because then you are more confident about the quality of the product. So I
okay,
can give assurance that they are 100% pure because they
right,
are homemade. They are homemade, yeah.
right, right.
And yeah, and then you know that you get to support the people who are really doing it from home to get an identity of their own as well.
Right, right.
So if I can help in that way to market the product
Hmm.
and make someone stronger financially also, so why not?
Hmm. वाओ अमेजिंग दैट्स लाइक यू नो रियली बहुत ही मतलब दिल से है ये एंड आई रियली आई एम हैप्पी दैट यू नो यू फील दैट वे एंड यू आर सपोर्टिंग यू नो पीपल from inside within your houses to achieve their dreams and recognizing their talent, you know, with
We,
your
I
branding.
must, I wanted to tell one more thing, Tanu, here.
Right.
When I started with my partner, we also helped. There is a jail in Ghaziabad for women inmates. So
Okay, okay.
they used to make that diya dhoop
Mm-hmm.
with Havan Samagri.
Okay,
So we sold around, I think, 400 boxes of their these boxes on our stalls,
okay. Oh
and we help
wow.
them. Whatever we get, whatever money we got after selling that
Mm-hmm.
product, we just gave it to them.
Wow, wow. So then you've also been involved in charity, so that's a wonderful
Yeah.
thing.
No, it's not
Yeah,
charity. It's helping someone who want to establish themselves, though they have not very good past.
right.
They may not be liked by the society, but this way at least we can help them to for their livelihood,
Yeah, yeah,
isn't
definitely,
it?
you know.
Yeah,
Yeah, bringing them up, pulling them up, you know, to a place where they can
yeah.
actually earn not
Earn
only
something.
livelihood but also respect for that matter, है
Yes,
ना?
yes,
जब लोगों
yes.
के पता लगेगा कि these products were made by jail inmates, so you know they will also
Hmm.
feel कि अच्छा they are doing something productive while they
Yeah.
are sitting in, you know, in that lockup, and they you're spending their lives in that lockdown, and we can absolutely relate to that feeling now, isn't it, Meena? Because we are also
Yes.
in lockdown.
Yeah, we are also in
so
lockdown.
so वो jail inmates के साथ जो होता होगा, that we also know now how it feels.
Yeah.
तो तो नेक्स्ट सवाल आपके लिए ये कि व्हाई द यूनिक नेम टिजलर्स?
Yeah. I have a small story
इसके पीछे
behind
क्या
that.
कहानी?
Uh,
वाओ, आई वांट टू
Maybe
लिसन.
my जो
आई
शुरू
नेवर
के जो
न्यू
मेरे
दिस.
clients हैं, they know we started with the name Ticklers.
ओके, टिकलर्स,
Yeah.
अच्छा.
But when we applied for the trademark, we came to know that this name is not available for us.
Okay,
It
okay,
has already been, copyrighted by someone. It has been already given to someone else.
okay.
So we wanted some name which is similar to that, and plus it gives impression to the client that yeah, it is related to some food product.
Okay,
And I spoke to one of my friends. She's an astrologer. She's
okay,
a very good friend. So I asked her,
right,
ki, this is what I am. So she said, you give a name which defines your work.
right,
So
right.
it like Tizzle, Tizzle. It was in my mind, Tizzle, Tizzle, Tizzle. So we kept it Tizzler. We
Okay,
actually applied for the trademark with the name of
okay,
Tizzlers.
right,
And the person told us that it is available. Let's go with the filing the documents and all.
okay,
So that's how we got this name Tizzlers,
okay.
and we
Great,
got
great.
a yeah trademark with this name as well.
Okay. Let us take some comments now, Meena.
Yeah, I
There is
think.
Raptima. She says that, hi, Meena ji. Okay,
Hello,
the voice
Raktima.
is better, the echo is better. Tamanna from Khwaish says that, she's from Greater Noida, so easy for you there. Sumita Jha is watching us. Thank you so much, Sumita, for being
Hello.
here. Purnima Meena is awesome.
Thank you,
Shivani
Purnima.
says hi Tanu. Raghunita says it's okay. Purnima says Tizzlers rocks. Pamela Biswas is watching. Thank you so much for joining us. Choco House, our own Smriti Bhatia. She says mango achar, red chili achar, lemon chutney, mixed veg achar. Everything this gorgeous makes is
She
just
has
mouth
tasted
watering.
all my products. She has eaten
Yeah.
all of the products.
Okay. And I can see that she can just go on and bolti hai ki you look hot like as always. So that's that
Thank
compliment
you,
for,
Sumi.
our tizzling Meena. Shivani says winning three team is great and hardworking. Thank you so much. Okay, Madhumita Sinha has joined and she is watching. Madhumitra is watching. And Smriti says that Tanu me. So ठीक है, अब हमने ये सुन लिया कि टिजलर्स नाम कैसे पड़ा। अब ये बताइए कि आपका यूएसपी क्या है? हाउ आर यू ब्रांडिंग टिजलर्स? हाउ आर यू रीचिंग टू दैट नेक्स्ट लेवल एंड व्हाट इज योर यूएसपी?
My USP is the taste of the product. You really
राइट,
feel that yeah, it is homemade. When you buy something outside from the market, you can tell that yeah, इसमें बहुत सारा ऐसा product है जो is not very healthy and all.
राइट,
In my products, there is preservative. I agree to that, but it has to be. It is under the permissible preservative under the FSSAI
ओके,
regulations.
ओके,
We have
ओके,
FSSAI for all the products and all.
राइट,
So
राइट,
the
राइट,
tangy taste like in lemon chutney, everyone when it tastes it, so they taste, and then the aftertaste of the chutney is something people have never tasted.
राइट,
And this is because the rind of the lemon is also been used in the chutney.
राइट,
And both the chutney, mango chutney and lemon chutney are oil free, 100% oil free. So it's
राइट,
healthy also. One of my clients, she
राइट.
said, "See, whenever I have a very bad mood, I eat your lemon chutney and then I'm happy."
That is true. It's actually amazing, with anything which is bland in taste, if you just put a few drops of your lemon chutney, it just makes it, spicy and good for that taste thing, for our tastes.
Yes.
It gives that tingly thing inside our tongue, which actually makes the food rock, actually. So,
Yeah.
sahi mein,
Food,
she is
food,
right.
food का वही है कि if you feel something different, different taste in that product, so you will continue eating that.
Right, right. So, Meena, Smriti says that Tanu, you're awesome. Thank you so much. You're awesome as well. Smriti Bhatia, my chocolatey girl. Okay, now Raktima asks, is courier working at your place? Supposing if we would want to order a few.
No, Raktima dear, I must say that courier is not working at all. So I have decided only to supply to nearby places where I can myself go and deliver at their gate if anyone want in Noida. That much I can do definitely.
Right.
Yeah.
So, Raktima, you'll have to wait for some more time, even me, because sitting in
Yeah.
Calcutta, we are going to miss that achar from Tizzlers. Acha, can we order it online from some place, Meena?
Yes, my products are available on Amazon. Yes, if you want, you can order from Amazon because they are
Okay.
picking up the stuff and they are doing the deliveries.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah,
Great.
recently I delivered in where Hyderabad.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay. So,
I got an order.
Raktima,
So I
if
was
you
very
want to
surprised
order,
कि
please
how
do
come
that.
I got an order from Amazon.
You are
But they
actually
and
marvelous. Your Tizzlers are actually awesome. You know, you don't have
thank
an
you
idea,
so
you don't
much,
have a
Tanu. I
clue
really
how
appreciate what
how
you are
how
saying.
nice it is. Yes, so हैदराबाद क्या बाहर भी जाएगा आप बस देखते रहो just आगे चलते
Bahar,
रहो
I have
you know
clients, I don't
yeah
send it through courier, but many of my clients take it for their relatives. Canada,
wow
US,
right right और घर का है तो
Malaysia,
why
yes,
not I think your
yes,
USP is घर का made ना मतलब homemade should be
घर
your
का made.
USP
It is home.
yeah
Yes.
right right so ये बताइए मीरा कि what are your future plans with Tizzlers you know how you want to win it and take it through that next level क्या सोचा है
Uh,
आपने
अभी लॉकडाउन हो गया otherwise I had plans to collaborate on offline display of my products.
okay
Even I was in talks with someone in Gurgaon, and
okay
they were really eagerly waiting me to give them the product. But the problem is that all the borders are locked down, sealed,
right right
so I'm not able to start that. So as soon as lockdown is over, hopefully I get that chance. Be my fingers crossed to do like that also. I have,
fingers crossed
yes. In
जरूर खुल
Noida,
जाएगा
I
जल्दी
have,
लॉकडाउन
Priyanka. Yeah, I
प्रियंका
have
पुरी yes
collaborated with them. They with
right
their Full House Bakery. So my products is they are available there also.
right
Yeah, on regular basis. But due to lockdown, everything is on standstill.
right so we have Pooja Khera who has joined us now and Ritu Bhatia who is watching us so thank you so much everybody who is joining in we are here on Ghar Se Ghar Tak hashtag Ghar Se Ghar Tak voice for local to vocal initiative by Winning Spree to support the government initiative of buying local products, supporting our local artisans, supporting our local businesses and supporting our economy at large. We are here with Meena Kapoor today. Meena Kapoor is the founder of Tizzlers and she has been doing a marvelous job there with her tizzling pickles, everything that is pickle is with her and people vouch for her pickles. Those are that great in taste and once you buy it from her, you will keep buying on. If you want to order, please place an order on Amazon by searching for Tizzlers on Amazon. Or, if you're staying nearby her house, you can always go drop in and check her products out. Or probably, she can arrange for something where she can deliver it to you. And apart from that, she is also available on some offline places like Priyanka Puri's the bakery house and she will also be soon available at a Gurgaon location once the lockdown and everything else gets over. So Meena, अब हम जिस चीज के लिए आए हैं जो everybody wants to see now, they want to see your products, they want to see कि कैसे दिखते हैं आपके प्रोडक्शन की चीज़ें तो आप थोड़ा दिखाइए हमको कि क्या
Okay.
क्या आपकी स्पेशलिटी है
I have usually I have this jar. This is 300 grams jar for all the products. I do pack in these jars. And if anyone want bigger than that, then I have 500-gram jar also available with me. So all my products, you see, this is lemon chutney, this is pickle, aam chutney.
okay
So these are the sizes. This is 300-gram ka jar. And if
okay
anybody still want to try, not want to buy even this much size of, which is actually not a very big jar, but still, so I offer them this size, which is only 100 grams.
okay
So these are the trial packs.
Mm-hmm.
So whichever product they want to taste, they can buy these trial packs.
Okay.
Okay, then we have these gift boxes like this
Hmm.
with the window.
Right. Right.
And the main thing is in this is that these are the glass jars.
Okay. Right.
So initially we started with glass jars only, but then we
Mm-hmm.
were able to give only within Noida, and people
Right.
wanted in other states and everywhere. So we had
Right.
to start with PET jars. So
Okay.
we do deliver in both depending upon the quantity and more. So these
Mm-hmm.
gift boxes people usually buy to during the festival seasons like Diwali,
Right.
Rakhi,
Right.
they buy for that. Even in New Year also many people buy to give to their staff.
Right.
Yeah. So
Right.
this is just a pack. We do some gift wrapping in that ribbon and everything and all. We do that the way so that it looks a little bit beautiful and the receiver gets some good vibes from the packs itself.
Right, right. So,
See,
मीना जी, tell us about your products, no? मतलब क्या क्या है? लेमन चटनी है, अचार है, थोड़ा बताइए
yeah,
ना कि क्या क्या है
we
आपके
have
पास?
we have basically chutney and pickles. Chutney we have two. We started with two chutneys only, lemon
Right.
chutney and aam chutney.
Okay.
But then because I know that the aam pickle is also very nice when it is made homemade because I only eat that chutney and aam pickle. Tanu, can you hear me? I lost you. Hi, can you hear me, guys? Hi, Tanu, I can't see you. Can anyone see me? Hi, Tanu, can you see me?
Yeah, I can. I'm sorry I lost you there. कुछ network issue
Oh,
हो गया. तो
okay. It
I'm
was
really
not, yeah,
sorry.
from not from my side, now. I thought my
नहीं
connection
नहीं
is not
नहीं. It was
good.
from here only, from my side only. Yeah.
All right, all
I'm
right.
sorry I lost you there, मीना जी. So
Oh,
आप बोल रहे थे.
that's all. It happens. लॉकडाउन में कभी कभी हमारा इंटरनेट भी लॉकडाउन में चला जाता है.
इंटरनेट में बहुत जोर पड़ रहा है इस टाइम पे. वी ओनली हैव दैट.
That's right.
So yeah. Tell me, about your products a little. Now the viewers would want to see. People are missing your lemon chutney. That's what the comments are. Abhi we have a comment from Ritu Balia, and she says that I'm missing your lemon chutney. तो थोड़ा बताइए
I
हमको about your.
give me a minute.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, Tanu. Hello everyone again. We have lemon chutney, aam chutney, which are the most selling product of Testers, and then we have aam pickle, lemon pickle, green chili pickle. So
Okay.
mostly these five products are available all year, throughout the year. Although pickle and chutneys can be made only in summers, but we because in first year we did not stock our product for the winters, but then people really wanted to have our product. They said that you should have kept some stock for the winters as well. So these five products
Right.
are available throughout the year.
Right.
And then in winters we have red chili pickle,
Okay.
ginger pickle, mixed veg pickle, and amla pickle.
Okay. अच्छा.
So these are available only in winters
Okay.
because we don't want to उसका जो taste है थोड़ा different हो जाता है if you don't finish it on time. maybe people won't like
True.
that. People like that crunchiness in, especially in mixed veg pickle. So it's better to always give them the fresh pickle when they want.
Right,
Yeah,
right, right.
mixed veg pickle is from last year we started, but like 2018 we started. But red
Okay.
chili pickle, ginger pickle, and amla pickle we introduced in 2019 winters.
Okay.
And I
Okay.
must tell you, Tanu, that the red chili pickle went like this,
Okay. Wow. My husband is
and
also
still
very
people
fond of red
wanted to have.
chilies. Right,
I'll keep it next
right.
time for you, definitely in winters.
Madhumitra says, missing your chutneys. My stock is over, waiting for possible deliveries. So, Meena,
Hi
you now know
Madhuji,
कि किस किस
missing
को contact करना
everyone.
है. I am also missing
Definitely.
all of you, my Delhi friends. I'm really missing all of you. It's been a long, long time that we caught up, but this is a very unique and a very nice way of catching up on the live
Yes.
with, my favorite chat also to see कि कैसा.
Tanu, I can't hear you.
The jars that you are putting it in, that also we have seen. Pricing कोई range आप बता दो, what exactly are the pricing range for your.
Tanu, I can't hear you.
You can't hear me?
Yeah. Hello.
Can you hear? Can you
Yes, your
hear me
voice
now?
is breaking. Yes, yes. Now.
अभी सुनाई दे रहा है? Okay,
Yes,
okay.
yes.
I
Yeah,
was
tell me.
saying that ये ऑनलाइन जो है ये सेशन हमारा मतलब सुनाई दे रहा है?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
सुनाई. Okay, but there's some
I
echo.
can hear. I can hear.
Okay. There is some echo actually. मुझे सुनाई अपना वॉइस सुनाई दे रहा है.
You can't hear me?
नहीं, I can only hear to. No, I'm able to listen to the echoed voice of mine.
But I can hear you clearly.
अच्छा.
Yeah, you are
अच्छा.
asking something, Tanu.
No, I'm saying that I'll join you again. Can I join you again? Can I do
Okay,
that?
sure. Yeah, do that, please. Hi, Ritu. I can see few people. I don't know why can't I see everyone. Yes, Tanu. Hi,
Hi.
welcome back.
या कुछ इको हो रहा था. देयर वाज सम प्रॉब्लम. मुझे अपना ही आवाज बार बार सुनाई दे रहा था. सो
Okay.
काइंड ऑफ वेरी वो. तो मैं ये बोल रही थी आपसे मीना कि आज की डेट में जब लॉकडाउन चल रहा है देयर सो मच ऑफ स्केयर व्हिच इज देयर आउटसाइड और अंदर ये लॉकडाउन है हमारा घर में. उसमें इजंट दिस सिस्टम ऑफ कनेक्टिंग वाया वीडियो सच अ ब्यूटीफुल थिंग?
It is really, it freshens you up. I'm
Right,
really enjoying all the sessions, Tanu, in the evening
right.
time. Like I have told my family that between 3:30 to 5:30, I am in between in some or other sessions, so don't disturb me.
राइट राइट. आप बिल्कुल सही बोल रहे हो. फॉर मी ऑल्सो दिस इज नाउ बिकम द न्यू वे ऑफ लाइफ. पहले जब लॉकडाउन
Yes.
शुरू हुआ था आई यूज टू कुक और डू सम न्यू डिशेस या कुछ घर की सफाई ये वो, बट सब करके देख लिया, सब सब कुछ महसूस कर लिया, सब कुछ कर लिया। आज की डेट में दिस इज द न्यू
बट
वे
जो
ऑफ लाइफ फॉर मी,
या
बिकॉज इसमें
लेकिन जो अपने
नॉट ओनली।
दोस्तों को देख के, अपने साथ वालों को देख के जो फ्रेशनेस महसूस होती है ना, उसकी बात ही अलग है। आई थिंक
एब्सोल्युटली,
ये
मतलब
एवरीवन विल एग्री, जो भी अभी लाइव है हमारे साथ सेशन में, एवरीवन विल
बिल्कुल,
एग्री टू दैट।
absolutely everyone will agree to this. Hi Momita, hi Aarti for joining us now.
हेलो
So
आरती, आई कैन सी मोमिता।
राइट, सो मीना, मैं ये कह रही थी कि आपके हमने जार्स देख लिए, द वेरियस साइजेस, 100,
यप
300 and 500 grams, you have twin
यस
jars for gifts, and you have various chutneys and pickles for the summers as well as for the winters. समर्स के लिए आपके पास आम है, लेमन चटनी है, एंड फॉर विंटर्स यू हैव जिंजर, एंड ऑल्सो यू मेंशनड
रेड
आमला,
चिली।
red chili, and red chili
यप
one is a hot favorite with people, so that's what even you said. So after this, can you also mention, give an idea about the prices, कि कैसी प्राइसिंग होती है आपके प्रोडक्ट्स की, ताकि लोगों को एक आइडिया हो बिफोर परचेजिंग और प्रोक्योरिंग इट.
Usually these trial packs, they start from 80.
Okay.
Yeah. So, and then depending upon the size of the jar which you want,
Right.
the prices are sent.
Right.
And
Okay.
I give some discount if the total amount is more than 1500.
Mm-hmm.
So each and every client who buys the product more than 1500 ka, I give them some discount as well.
राइट, राइट. सो ये जो आपका फुल सर्कल है ऑफ दिस एंटायर जर्नी, फ्रॉम मेकिंग द प्रोडक्ट होम मेड टू पैकिंग इट इनटू जार्स एंड देन सेंडिंग इट अक्रॉस टू पीपल, तो ये मतलब हाउ डज दिस कम अक्रॉस, मतलब कितना टाइम लगता है ये सब होने में, व्हाट ऑल एफर्ट्स टू गो. आपके एफर्ट्स के बारे में थोड़ा बताइए कि कितना एफर्ट लगता होगा, मतलब ये सारी चीज़ों को करने में.
See, getting the product is not a big job. It's I just get it from the person who is making it in bulk in once. But the packing definitely takes time,
राइट.
because you need to take care of the hygiene, the cleanliness of the desk where you are doing. The jar has to be cleaned. There should not be any leakage. It has to be sealed properly before sending. And you need to see when you are packing the jar in the boxes. I have different boxes for these jar as well,
Mm-hmm.
and you have to see that you pack it in a way that there is no space so that it get cracked in the
Delivery.
transition,
Right.
yeah, delivery.
Okay.
So I always keep in tab with the client when they receive it, and I always ask them to do let me know then when you receive the product and the condition of the product.
Right.
So packing is really takes time.
Right.
Yeah,
Right.
each and
Right.
every jar, and the glass jars are like that. Glass jar we need to get sterilized also. So one of the ladies, she helps me in getting it cleaned, and then they are sterilized, not boiling water, but there is a way that you can do it in microwave also, and then they have to be totally dry. So
Okay.
there is no chance
No
that we
moisture.
can have any drop of water, any moisture is in the jars. So the drying of the jars take at least 2 to 3 hours.
Hmm. Right. Right.
So this is the
So.
only thing. And then
So.
delivering, I have collaborated with few courier guys. They pick up the product and they make sure that it is delivered. And in between the packing and giving it to the courier guy until the delivery, I keep a track of the package always.
Okay, okay. Wow, very nice. So there, you can all see. Thank you so much, people who are joining in us now. We
Hi
are live
Sonia.
with Meena Kapoor. Meena Kapoor is the founder of Tizzlers. It's a pickle based company which makes a lot of pickles and chutneys of various vegetables and fruits that are available throughout the season. And she has been awesome
I
there.
I
Yeah,
think
Meena, kuch
Aarti is asking, have you started delivery in Dwarka? No, dear Aarti, actually out of Noida, I can't send because no courier guy is ready to take. All the border are sealed. नोएडा के सब तरफ के बॉर्डर सील्ड हैं तो ओनली आई कैन डिलीवर टू नोएडा पीपल आई एम सो सॉरी इवन आई एम
आरती
वेटिंग
थोड़ा और
फॉर
वेट
लॉकडाउन
करो।
टू ओवर थोड़ा
आरती
सा और
थोड़ा
वेट
और
कर दो
वेट। यस, थोड़ा और वेट करो, सब्र का फल मीठा होता है आरती।
हाँ
तो श्योर अभी जल्दी मतलब सब ठीक होने वाला है धीरे धीरे, एंड आई एम
या
श्योर तब थिंग्स विल बी नॉर्मल एंड वील अगेन बी बैक टू द नॉर्मल डेज। एक
नॉर्मल
दिन
डेज
आएगा। राइट,
एक
राइट।
दिन आएगा
Yes, yes. So Sonia Gulati has joined us. Renita Roy Chaudhary has
हाय
joined us.
सोनिया
So
हेलो
thank you
विनीता
so much. Thank you so much, people, for joining in. I was saying that I'm with Meena Kapoor on Ghar Se Ghar Tak, which is our initiative to support the Vocal for Local series initiated by the Government of India and Mr. Modi, which says that support our local businesses, buy from our local entrepreneurs, and support to the global economy or our Indian economy for that matter, and support our government. Because we as citizens of India, responsible people, have an important thing there, a responsibility there to bring up the economy as well and to make things better for us at this particular stage and juncture where things are really not that good. There's a lot of uncertainty around because of the corona pandemic. Right. So Meena ji, we have seen all the products that you had to show, and the घर से घर तक series is almost at the last leg of it. अभी आप हमको बताइए कि is there anything that आपको लगता है कि छूट गया हो जो आपको बताना था आपने बताया नहीं होगा, तो जल्दी जल्दी से बता दीजिए, because
नहीं
मेरे
आई
पास
थिंक
एक
वी हैव
आखिरी सवाल है आपके लिए before we
अच्छा
wrap up.
we have covered everything I think here I must tell you that more than me, my kids were excited for my live session and they were boosting me
Wow.
up like anything.
Thank you
Even my
so much.
daughter
Why
said,
don't you
"Mama,
get them on the
कि
camera?
I let me see." My daughter was saying कि मम्मा अगर आप एक ग्रुप में करोगे तो उसमें तो बहुत थोड़े से लोग होंगे कैसे लोगों को पता लगेगा तो आई टोल्ड हर नो वी हैव मोर देन 3000 लेडीज इन दैट तो शी वाज लाइक 3000 so
Okay.
she was really wanting to understand that how do we do these live sessions in this time of period.
Right, right. So, we have actually
Let me
figured
just
out
bring
ways
her.
to, yeah, do that, do that.
Yeah. Nupur,
So
Nupur,
people, अभी जितने लोग हमको
हाँ
देख
एक
रहे हैं,
सेकेंड
we are at Meena
एक
Kapoor's, live where we are doing a घर से घर तक series with her, the first one. Hi, Nupur.
is my
You,
daughter.
hi, Nupur. How pretty
Hello,
your
say
daughter
hi.
is. Hi. Thank you so
She
much for
can't hear you
joining.
because the I am wearing the
Thank you.
Bluetooth.
Thank you so much for boosting your mom.
She's saying thank you so much. Okay.
Right.
She
So,
was shy to come.
so that is actually घर से घर तक where मीना कपूर के घर में बैठ के हमको उनकी बेटी को भी देखने को मिल रहा है, हम अपने
Thank
घर
you
से
so
काम
much,
करते
Tanu.
हैं। हम सब जितनी भी औरतें हैं आज की डेट में मोस्टली वी आर वर्किंग फ्रॉम होम टू टेक केयर ऑफ आवर फैमिलीज एज वेल एज टू टेक केयर और सपोर्ट आवर बिजनेसेस, तो हम दोनों चीज़ें इकट्ठे करते हैं। एंड हमको पता है कि हम अपने बच्चों के साथ ही काम करते हैं। एंड वाई शाई अवे फ्रॉम दिस फैक्ट दैट इफ अभी बीच में जब लॉकडाउन स्टार्ट हुआ था एंड कॉर्पोरेट्स वेर ऑल वर्किंग फ्रॉम होम, तो देयर वर दीज वीडियोज विच वर कमिंग इन वेर वी कुड सी दैट बेबीज आर बम्पिंग इन टू वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसेज एंड एकदम से देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ केओस देयर। बट व्हाई नॉट, आई हैव ऑल्सो सीन एग्जाम्पल्स जहाँ पे द पॉलिटिशियंस बिग बिग पॉलिटिशियंस फ्रॉम अक्रॉस द वर्ल्ड have
Yeah,
been
I have
taking
seen that.
their babies to their workplaces. Someone was feeding that baby milk while taking a call or something like that. So why shy away from our responsibilities? अगर हम अपने काम भी कर रहे हैं तो motherhood is the first and foremost full time job for us, and ये हमको कभी भूलना नहीं चाहिए. So that is the
Yes.
spirit with which घर से घर तक goes. And thank you so much मीना जी for being here. एक आखिरी सवाल आपसे है that if you have any message for the winning threes here, for the viewers here who watched you today, before we wrap up. And one more thing, that how close is Twizzlers to you? कितना पास है ये आपके दिल के? How much passionate are you about
ये
Twizzlers?
टिजलर्स तो पता नहीं है, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मुझे सपने में भी टिजलर्स याद है. मैं वेट करती हूँ कि मॉर्निंग में उठ के सोचूं कि रात को क्या सपना आया था.
Very
See that
nice, very
because
nice.
you can say it's my baby, it's my another baby. I
Right,
worked for it from scratch,
right.
and it makes me more confidence when people know me with the name of Tizzlers. Acha Tizzlers, I we know
Right,
Tizzlers lady.
right, right. So that's the beauty of it. Sonia Gulati says great effort. Swati Jain is watching us. Thank you for joining us,
Thank you
Swati.
so much,
So हमारा
Sonia and
जो
Swati.
तो हमारा आखिरी सवाल अब आपसे वही कि एनी मैसेज, anything inspiring, any message that you want to share to our winning threes who are watching us.
Uh, I think the thing which I learned throughout this journey, that never give up, never ever give up.
Right.
I was supported with my husband, my family, with my friends, but there are times when women are not being supported by anyone. They really need that support.
Hmm.
But then you have to gather that courage to continue doing it, whether because everything takes time. Now I am on to 2.5 years journey. If you see that, so now I'm on that level when my confidence level has jumped more of the 50% which I was previously. See? And
Right.
believe, believe in yourself, believe in that Almighty. I totally believe in Him because I have
Right.
seen whenever I ask something, He gives me. So you need
Right.
to ask Him, ask for the good things,
Right.
you will get it.
Right, right. So guys, that's a beautiful message from Meena here. Meena Kapoor from Tizzlers on Ghar Se Ghar Tak. She says that believe in yourself. चाहे आपको support मिले चाहे ना मिले, but keep counting your blessings, keep your
Yes.
affirmations up, and believe in yourself and keep walking and follow your true passion, your true calling. You will certainly nail it some or the other point of time,
Yes.
at some or the other point of time. So on that note, thank you so much Meena for being on our series of Ghar Se Ghar Tak live. It was wonderful to see your products. I am still drooling over it. मतलब I am feeling helpless कि मैं इस time पे I cannot grab one of it and taste it. But
I
I am
know, Tanu, I
sure.
can understand because even I am willing to send my products to the people because they really willing to eat that. So pray that this lockdown gets over soon.
I just
And
pray that
I'm really feel humble and thankful to you, Tanu, to give me this opportunity. This was my first live, and I really enjoyed it with you.
I am
And
really
I'm so
honored that
confident
I
now.
could do something. I am so happy and I'm so glad, and I'm really honored that you feel this way for me, and it's been really an honor to have you on board,
No, you
Meena.
are
You,
you have a spark, Tanu, which gives the that confidence to all the winning stays. That's why we are
thank you
winning
so
stays.
much.
We
Thank you
all are
so much. Yes,
winning stays.
yes, we rock. We rock. We rock.
We rock.
We are women. We rock.
So I must tell this all the ladies that these badges and these mugs are available on Winning Street's website
Right.
www.winningstreet.com or .in, I think.
.com. Right.
Yeah, .com. So they
Right.
are available. So whenever is lockdown over, you can go and grab one from there.
Yeah, absolutely, folks. Please, 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 in case you want them, you can definitely order from us and we will deliver you. Thank you so much, Meena ji. Thank you for being here.
Thank you,
It
Tanu.
was lovely having you. Have a gorgeous,
My pleasure.
gorgeous evening and a very beautiful night ahead. And may the lockdown end soon. Till then, be
Yeah.
safe and be sound.
Thank you
Bye.
so much, Tanu. Please do
Bye.
take care, everyone, and thank you, everyone, for joining this session and
Yeah, thank you
boosting our
so much. Thank
confidence.
you so
Thank you.
much for
Bye
coming
bye.
on board. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.